Amadioha or Amadioha is a powerful masculine deity, the god of justice and peace. In some Igbo tribes, he is known as Ezeudo, while some calls him Kamalu. Our forefathers knew about this ultimate dominion because he is the firstborn of creation. Amadioha is also the god of thunder and lightning. He is the fire dominion and lord of the open sky and firmament. He is the bright and morning sun, the template of creation. He is also the first essence of the nature element combination. I call him the engine room, the ultimate power, the power source of all creation. Other dominions and other deities, other forces acknowledge him as the superior force. If not for him, where will nature draw its strength and nourishment from? Amadioha punishes his offenders through lightning. He also sent down lightning and thunderstorm as a way of communication. When an individual swear an oath with Amadioha, if he or she is guilty, Amadioha will strike the person down with lightning and leave the corpse with a black mark on the person's forehead. In the time of our forefathers, people killed by Amadioha are not buried or mourned because Amadioha only kills people who commit evil. Also, anything offered to Amadioha cannot be eaten by women. His color is red. His symbol represents white ram and is mostly venerated on Eke Day. Amadioha is the husband of Ani or Ugugu. He is also represented by a tree called Ungu. They call the tree Eze Ungu or Unguchukwu Okike, a very powerful tree. And anything offered to that deity is not eaten by women. Amadioha is the father of all Ikengas. We refer to him as Ezeudo, Ezeenu, Ezeenigwe. In the next video, I'll be talking about Ogunnewan. Please share and invite your friends. Thank you. I still remain Akajugo.